Hi guys, Julain here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for watching, and if you are returning, thank you so much for your continued support. In this video, I'll show you step by step how I make some delicious and refreshing watermelon juice. This is such an awesome and easy treat to make for the summer. It's also filled with lots of health benefits and will be certain to keep you hydrated. Enjoy!
So I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life you'll see. ocean, 'cause I